Hey, what's going on, guys? We're out here filming at DeBerry, River City Nature Park, a couple days before the DeBerry Open. This is Samuel Ross.
Hi guys, how you doing?
I'm Zachary Moses, and this is our first ever YouTube video for disc golf.
Hole 1 is a par 3, 271 feet to the yellow basket. Most players will throw a forehand on this hole, but in Sammy's world, forehands don't exist. So I choose to throw a backhand turnover to the left of this palm tree that is up ahead, and that will dump you right into the back cove where the yellow basket is. It's a great hole to pick up a birdie at the start of the River City Alpha Nature Park.
Yellow basket over there, Pete Sexton Firebird. First throw of the day, 2 off the first, right?
2 off the first. That's the Zac and Sammy rule.
It's the Zac and Sammy way. That was a pretty good throw.
Good start. My Galaxy died Star Destroyer, Ricky Wysocki, 2-time world champion.
Not much of a forehand guy, huh?
Ooh, into the palm.
Hole 2 is a par 4, 477 feet from longs, about 440 feet from shorts. First, you're going to have to make this gap here, and then from there, it's about 200 feet up this hill. It's a slight incline, and your goal should be to make this gap up here so that you have a look at the basket. I'm going to be throwing a backhand, trying to make it up here, and then throwing probably a forehand approach, maybe even giving it a chance for eagle.
On to hole 2. Woo! Did you round the corner?
It hit the tree.
Good throw.
Smoked. Unlucky, but should have a putt. Big putt here. Unlucky.
Hole 3 is a 350-foot par 3. It's 300 feet from the short tee pad to the gold basket. And as you go down this tunnel fairway, you'll see on the left side there's these wooden beams that marks the OB line. If you end up left, you're OB. Most players will want to throw a backhand flex right down the gap with a little bit of a turnover, then fading out left into the cove, which will end up right at the golden basket.
It's a safe play.
Safe.
Folks, I always go OB because I'm a little bit of a main backhand thrower, so I'm a little worried, but don't get me wrong. I'm still gonna throw a backhand.
Let's go.
Vendress S, shout out Paul Macbeth.
What a throw. Come back left.
Yes, sir. Good layup here.
Eee. Hole 4 is a par 3, 245 feet from both tee pads. You're going to want to either throw a backhand turnover that'll finish left, or you can lay up with a forehand to the right here and throw in. It's a tighter shot because of the palm trees, but as long as you have something that finishes left, it opens up here.
Best gets down there to the left. I'm just going to try to get down there and probably up to the right so I have a nice little approach. Maybe even black ace. Ooh, ready to come back. Oh, that is pretty good.
Really windy. It's looking good. It's gonna make it through the gap. Oh my goodness. Throw of the day. Ooh. Good effort. Good bird. Yeah.
Hole 5 is a 271-foot par 3. From the short tee pad, it's about 245 feet to the gold pin. As we move down the fairway, you can see on the right side the cove that has the red basket. Farther down the fairway, in between the trees and across the bridge, is the gold basket. The bridge goes over the river in which the water plays as casual.
Sam's got the tee box. It's a decent spot.
Try a different just psych.
Sexton Firebird again. Ooh, baby.
Over there is casual.
Oh! Fast.
Oh, that's... Hey, that's a putt. It's casual.
Splash zone.
Splash zone.
Splash.
Oh, so close. Good run. Come tap it in. That's what we like to see.
Hey guys, look, it's my new pole. Be dynamic.
What the? He's running away like a little leprechaun. Excellent form there. Grabbing his disc from the water. Ooh. Close. Hole 6 is a par 3, 345 feet from the long tee pad, 300 feet from the short. It's a fairly simple hole. You're just going to want to stay out of the right woods here. There's a lot of open space on the left side. So if you throw a forehand out left and have it come right, or a backhand flip up turnover and have it come right, it's pretty simple unless you do what I'm about to do.
Whoa!
It's windy today here, folks. Going in. What? Ah, it's
Decent.
tree.
Long putt.
Well, the disc is lost. So now I gotta re-tee. Going for par for all the way back here. This is time to dunk it, you know? You gotta dunk it. But yeah, the disc just flew over the trees or something. It's probably like on the other fairway. We'll find it. Somebody will find it. So now I'm throwing a new disc. Unlike Zach, I'm actually on the fairway. Let's go.
Hey, I'm on a fairway. Hopefully.
Somewhere.
Somewhere over the rainbow. Good approach.
Thanks.
Ah, it's a bogey bogey.
It's a par.
Hole 7 is a 734-foot par 4. From the short tee pad, it's about 645 feet to the gold pin. As you approach the gap, you can see the Mando and Grogu from the Star Wars The Mandalorian series. As we pass the gap, you will find the most open fairway at River City Nature Park. And one thing I do love about River City Nature Park's two courses, Barwick and Alpha, is that the owners will flip the pin positions to different spots along the course to give you a new course every time you come back. Gotta love it. As the camera pins to the right here, you can see the red basket, and also farther down the fairway, you can find the OB guarding the yellow basket. It leaves you the question, on your second shot, will you lay up or will you try to full-blown crank over the water? Puppers!
Out there. Good shot.
It's tough there though because I don't know if I want to go over or just lay up to the. Not the best drive, but the dog was just too beautiful and distracting.
Are you laying up to the OB
so
line?
With the OB stretching all the way in that kind of.
Just tell me if you're laying up.
Market.
Yeah, he's laying up. Of course he is. Yeah. Just don't go too far. Oh, he's gonna throw too far. Oh, that is looking good. Should be perfect. Oh, that is perfect.
Oh, that is so high. Oh, come back.
Flex. Come back. Come back. Oh, is it?
Throw the rock again.
That is scary, folks. It's definitely over. Make sure you get it because you don't want to go B. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good.
That tree. Oh, that is so lucky.
Oh, that is rough, folks. Oh, he's taking a fraudulent putt here. He's gonna try to pretend he never missed. I don't know.
I'm taking that.
Come on, mate. What was that for? Hey, it happens. This is disc golf. This fraud over here was trying to be fraudulent and take like 6 or 7 putts.
Hey,
That's
yo.
a good triple
Hey.
bogey there. Hole 8 is a par 3, 281 feet from longs, about 260 feet from shorts. The basket is off to the right here around these tall trees. You're going to want to throw a high forehand that'll come far right, or a backhand turnover that'll keep its line and keep going right. And you don't want to go long into the OB.
Zach's got the tee pad after the triple bogey. You parked on red.
I think I hit the red.
Oh, that's a left. Ooh. Nice approach.
Ooh, that's bad.
Hole 9 is a 237-foot par 3. From the short tee pad, it's 200 feet to the gold basket. Most players want to throw a forehand on this hole onto the island to throw through the trees and find the gold basket right at the end. Also to the left is the red basket.
Hopefully I make the island. You know what we do after triple bogeys? We keep moving on. We're out here playing beautiful disc golf in the beautiful sun.
And now he's gonna dunk it.
It's gonna go in the basket.
Oh, that's good. Oh, I can't tell if that kicked in or not. Okay, Sam barely inbounds. I think he hit off of this tree.
So close, about a meter in, no, exactly a meter to TJ rules. Right here. With a birdie.
Nice putt.
Good way to
Park Nation.
Woo-hoo-hoo. How does it feel to park the island?
Pretty good.
Yeah.